For all the traders, there is something called 80-20 rule, which we might have heard in colleges and corporates. So when it comes to trading, what is this 80-20 rule and how is it going to help us? So initially when I was trading, right, I was doing over trading, okay, aggressively, and what I was able to analyze is that I was spending 80% of my time on trading and 20% of my time on analyzing. And that was the biggest blunder or mistake which I was doing, and because of which I was not able to improve on my skill set. Then I changed the whole percentage. Okay, means that 80% of my time I started to analyze and 20% of my time I started to trade. And that 20% of my time, whatever trade I do, I was focusing on highly confident trades so that I get maximum profits with a small risk. And that has changed the complete journey of my trading. So if you're someone who's actually doing over trading, okay, not following the 80-20, try following it and you will see a lot of progress in your journey. So take care. I'll be seeing you in the next video tomorrow. Bye-bye.